Welcome to Siemens Residential Controls. This video will explain the basic concepts related to the operation of the RDJ10RF wireless programmable room thermostat. The RDJ10RF is designed to provide customized daily control of your room temperature. The unit has 4 operating modes, which can be selected on the bottom horizontal slide switch. When automatic mode is selected, the thermostat switches at the programmed times and attempts to maintain the programmed temperatures. In this mode, you are able to manually override the program by rotating the dial to a desired temperature. At the next sequential switching time, the manual override will revert to the original program time and temperature settings. The sun symbol represents constant comfort mode. This mode will maintain the temperature set at T-sun. In order to set and change the temperature, you will need to slide the right-hand side vertical slide switch up to T-sun. The current temperature setting will flash. To make changes, use the rotating dial. Move the vertical slide switch to run to enable changes to take effect. The moon symbol represents constant setback or economy mode. This mode will maintain the temperature set at T-moon. In order to set and change the temperature, you will need to move the right-hand side vertical slide switch up to T-moon. The current temperature setting will flash. To make changes, use the rotating dial again. Move the vertical slide switch to run to enable changes to take effect. The final setting is standby. In this mode, the time and temperature setting will be disabled. However, the unit will maintain your home at 5 degrees centigrade, effectively acting as a frost protection mode for when you are spending extended periods away from home, or when you no longer require heating in the summer period. Unlike some other devices, Siemens products operate at the highest efficiency level attainable, in order to ensure your home's heating profile is as cost-effective as possible. The automatic mode has 4 zones, which operate based on the times you set at A1 to A4 on the vertical slide switch. Imagine these zones operate to a daily or 24-hour time period. A1 will be the first on period or start of your first comfort zone. At this time, the device will ask the boiler to maintain the temperature in the room at the level that you previously set at T-sun, in this case 21 degrees. This zone will last until the time you set at A2. A2 is the start of your first setback or economy zone. At this point, the device will ask your boiler to maintain the temperature you set at T-moon, which, as you can see in the example below, is 12 degrees. A3 will be the start of your second comfort zone. As with your first comfort zone, the temperature that the device will maintain has already been set at T-sun. This zone will last until the final time you set at A4. A4 is the start of your last setback or economy zone. Again, this will maintain the temperature set at T-moon and will last until the next comfort setting begins the following day at A1. The times and temperatures mentioned previously were just examples. The times and temperatures and associated heating costs and efficiency levels in your home will depend on your own personal comfort preference, the thermal performance of your home, and the cost of your energy from your chosen provider. We recommend trying different settings to get the most efficient profile for your home. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos about the RDJ10RF, including troubleshooting issues, please click on the links above. For more product playlists, please see our main channel.